Hello and welcome to the Excel basis video tutorial. Today in this video we are going to show you the method of copying formula in Excel sheet. To copy formula in Excel sheet, first of all we should enter the data in the Excel sheet. Now I have entered the data in Excel sheet. This is the Excel sheet where I have entered the data. After entering data, now I want to put the formula in the sheet or the column. Then select the column where you want to use the formula. To use formula, first of all you should use equal to sign, then you should use the formula. For example, you want to use this sum, or you want to do the sum of this unit column D, then we should use sum, then bracket, then from where you want to do the sum, from 2D, this 95, this from this column to 44D to this column, right here 2D, then 44, sorry, D2 to D44, then another bracket, then click enter. Now here we have added a formula of sum, of calculating data from 2D column to 44D column. After entering formula in this column, if you want to copy this formula to this and this column, E45 column and F45 column, what should we do? To copy formula, you can first of all put the cursor in the column which formula you want to copy. Then go to the formula bar. This is formula bar. In formula bar, you can see this formula. Select the formula, then press Ctrl C. Now it is copied, and then go to the next column where you want to put the formula E45. In this column you want to put, then put the cursor and press Ctrl V. You can see here the formula is pasted here. After putting the formula in this column, you should edit the formula. You can change D to E. After changing formula, press enter. Now you can see here the formula is applied here. This formula is applied. After copying formula from this column to this column, you have changed the alphabet, this E only, then formula is applied here. Or you can copy the formula without selecting or copying. You can just put the cursor in the column, then you can see the plus sign here. Press and drag towards next column where you want to copy the formula. Now you can see here the formula is copied here. See here guys, this is the another method of copying formula. Or if you want to put the formula here, for example you want to put formula, multiplication formula, first of all we should use equal to sign, then select the column, multiplication sign, then another column, press enter. Now formula is applied here. Then you can drag the formula from this column to where you want to copy the formula. Select the column where formula is applied, then drag the formula. See here guys, the formula is copied from 2G to 44G. This is the method of copying formula from one cell to another cell. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.